Here we come to the elevator at the Harris Building at Meredith College, Raleigh, North Carolina. This is a classic Dover traditional. Gosh, how many classic Dovers have I found during this visit? Interesting call button. I like that braille. Listen to that relay. It wants to close up fast. I like that hanging lantern. It's a very colorful cab. This was definitely worth checking out. Unfortunately, the Westbrook elevator at the library is modernized, so I'm taking no chances to film that. I'm sorry, guys. Look how fast the door doesn't even stay open for so long. Anyway, these are classic Dover traditional fixtures. Here's your non-ADA phone. Installed in 1982. Gotta listen to this motor. That down lantern works. I'm totally glad this elevator is still original. I might go for one where I ride a full silent truck going up and back down. But still. I'm back down to one. Door sounds obnoxious. I'm gonna send this up. I'm gonna let you listen to the machine. Call back down. All right, there it goes. Love the relays. All right, there it goes, and that's it.